Hey guys, I'm Ariana. If you're new here, if you're not, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe before you leave and turn on the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get this really simple, interesting pop of color eyeshadow look. So the palette that I used today was the e.l.f. Retro Paradise palette. And the shades that I used was this kind of nice toned down brown and then this dark brown. And I also just mixed this green with this white to get it to be like a nice mint green shade. So the first thing that I went ahead and did was just packed on some brown on the inner and outer corners. So this is kind of like a graphic kind of halo eyeshadow look. So I just packed on some of that really kind of light brown color on the inner corner, and then I just packed it on the outer corner and winged out the outer corner just a little bit. So I left the middle empty and I went back in with that later. So right now I'm just kind of creating kind of like a creased graphic kind of eyeshadow look. So it's basically just the shape of my lid, and I'm just gonna try to mimic that, and I'm not going further than my crease. So we're focusing literally just on the lid, and then toward the outer corner, like I said, I'm just winging it out as well. And don't worry if it's not like a perfect winged out shadow, because I am going to clean that up later on. So then I went ahead and took my Real Techniques little eye brush. It's like a little mini kabuki brush, and I just like packed on some concealer really lightly on the inside and the middle of the lid just to prime it for the green shade, just to make it pop a little bit more. And I'm not doing this in any like really precise way, it's just literally just there. Then I went ahead and mixed the green and white shade on the brush and just packed that on in the center. So while I'm packing it on, I'm making sure that I don't go any further than the crease, and I'm staying on the lid, and I'm also kind of trying to blend it with the brown shade by just making sure the two outer edges just like fade into the brown, just by packing it on and just like releasing some pressure as I get more toward the brown. So as soon as you get it to the pigment or like the brightest that you want, you can go ahead into this next step, which is me using the dark brown to create kind of like an outer liner. So this is just really going to define the eye shape and get the eye shape look a little bit more distinct into what I'm going for, which is like a kind of like winged out eyeshadow look. So I just took this pencil brush and I just created a wing with that dark brown shadow. And then I also took it and I put it on the inner corner as well. So this is me just kind of elongating my eye and really getting that nice cat eye look. So I like to create this inner corner wing with eyeshadow instead of eyeliner, because it's just easier to clean up and to customize to how you want it to look with your eye. So basically I go in with the general shape of the inner corner wing, and then I clean it up with concealer. So I took kind of like a light concealer and also a concealer that matched under my eyes, and I just cleaned up the bottom of the wing just to make it look nice and clean and shapely and like a really nice sharp inner corner wing. And sometimes I do make it a little bit bigger than it's supposed to be, so I do clean up the top as well. So this is like super easy to do with eyeshadow. You can literally shape it how you want with concealer and make it as short or long as you want. Then I went ahead and with some more concealer and a bigger concealer brush, and I just cleaned up the outer corners, just making sure that that wing is as sharp as it can be, and just making sure that there's no like excess shadow under the wing, which will make your eyeshadow look nice and uplifting and really like cat eye looking. So that is basically it for the eyeshadow. Then I went ahead and applied some mascara, and you definitely can wear this with mascara alone. And I also kind of left the lower lash line bare, so if you want to put liner in your waterline, you definitely can, but I did not. So this is what the look is without falsies, and it looks really cute. And then I just went ahead and added some falsies just to kind of finish it up, and I did kind of get some black lash glue on my lid, so please ignore that. But this is the final look. I really like how it came out. I really like this color with brown eyes as well, and you can definitely use any color combination that you like, but I really like the shape that's going on, and I like the contrasting colors. It's like pretty natural with the pop of color, which is what I was going for. So let me know what you think, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!